So then 2 or 3 years went by, and I'm in the Cadillac Club of Southern California, and in the back they have they have a monthly magazine, and in the back of the magazine they have 2 or 3 pages of classified ads. And I look in there and I see this car, and it's a 1953 Cadillac, which, like I told you already, is the car that I learned to drive on. It's totally restored. There's nothing to do to it. I looked at the car, and the guy was, I didn't really intend to buy it. I just was going to go look at it. He was asking $85,000 for it. And I looked at it, I drove around the block, and I said to him, I'll give you $80,000 for it. And much to my surprise, he said, deal.